In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a line in Microsoft Word in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a document and an unwanted line appears out of nowhere, or you simply want to clean up your document's format, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. First things first, let's get Microsoft Word open on your computer. To do this, you need to access the Windows Start menu. Simply click on the Start button, located typically at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you're greeted by a variety of options, but your focus should be on the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Word. As you begin typing, Windows will dynamically display search results, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Among the top results, you should see Microsoft Word. It's usually identifiable by its iconic blue and white document icon with a prominent W. Click on Microsoft Word to open it. Now that Microsoft Word is open, you'll find yourself at the Word home screen. This is where all the magic begins. Your screen will be filled with a ribbon of options at the top, recent documents you've worked on, and templates to start a new document. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're assuming you have a document already opened that has this troublesome line you wish to remove. Once your document is open and in front of you, look towards the ribbon of options at the top. Here you need to direct your attention to the Border button. This might require you to click on the Home tab if you're not already there. The Home tab houses most of the formatting options you'll need for everyday document tasks. After finding the Border button, it's time to click on it. This will bring up a small drop-down menu with various border options, allowing you to add or remove borders in different styles and formats around paragraphs or other elements in your document. Our target today, however, is the no border option. This might seem a little counterintuitive if you're not familiar with how Word handles these lines. Sometimes what appears to be a simple line is actually a border applied to a paragraph. By selecting no border, you're instructing Word to remove any borders, or in layman's terms, those stubborn lines from your selected text or object. Click on No Border, and voila, the line should now be removed from your document. If for some reason the line persists, ensure that your cursor was placed in the correct paragraph, or try selecting the paragraph by clicking and dragging over the text before attempting to remove the border again. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to remove lines in Microsoft Word. This process can be applied to any line that's giving you trouble, whether it's in a table, a header, or a random paragraph. Remember, the key is to understand that these lines are usually borders, and removing them is as simple as selecting no border. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you encounter any other issues in Word or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides on navigating through Microsoft Office applications and more. Thank you for watching.